Hello everyone, welcome back to our Engineering Graphics YouTube channel. So friends, in this session, we are going to solve another problem based on isometric projection, and by using simple method, we will solve this problem. So the problem statement is, the figure shows orthographic view of an object by first angle method of projection. Draw its isometric view. Now here, in this problem, by using first angle method of projection, the front view, top view and right hand side view is drawn. Now we know that in the front view we get length and height. In the side view we get width and height. And in the top view we get a length and width. Now here the front view is given. In the front view we can easily find the length of this object. So for this object length is 80 mm. In the side view we get a height. So height of this object is 60 mm and width is 80 mm. Width is 60 mm. Width is 60 mm. So in the top view we get width by length. This is length, this is width. 60 mm is the width. These are the dimensions. Overall dimensions for this object. Now here we know that for isometric view we required isometric box, and this box consists of three different planes. This is plane 1, this is plane 2, this is plane 3. Now here origin O is given at the right bottom corner. So 80 mm is the length we can mark along this axis. So for this problem, this is the x-axis for this problem, and the width 60 mm we can mark on the y-axis. So here when the observer is looking from this direction, observer will get this shape of front view in plane second, and when observer is looking from this direction, at that time right hand side view हा जो दिसतोय तो ॲपिड होणार प्लेन फर्स्ट वरती, आणि इन द टॉप व्ह्यू हा जो टॉप व्ह्यू आहे तो ॲपिड होणार प्लेन 3 वरती. अलॉंग एक्स ॲक्सिस वी आर गोइंग टू मार्क लेंथ, अलॉंग वाय ॲक्सिस आपण विड्थ मार्क करणार आहोत, अँड अलॉंग द झेड ॲक्सिस वी विल मार्क ए हाईट. So for isometric box, read the drawing carefully, find the overall dimensions. This is very simple problem. So we can easily find length, width and height, and three views are given. Now see the solution for this problem. First draw the reference line, baseline. Draw the horizontal line, mark point O, and then mark 30 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree angle. By using thin line, join all this angle line. This is length, this is x-axis for this problem, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Now length is 80 mm, so we will mark 80 mm length. Height is 60 mm, and width is again it is 60 mm. Width is 60 mm. Now here ज्या extra angle lines होत्या, erase all these extra lines. Now by using roller, join the remaining two z axes. Now adjust a roller along x axis and find plane second. Okay. Now adjust for plane third, adjust a roller along x axis and draw the line parallel to the x axis. Now adjust a roller along y axis and draw the line towards y axis. So this is x. Along this axis we are going to mark length, width, and this is z axis. Now see the problem. In the front view, now see the front view. In the front view, this O1, 2, 3 profile is visible. But the triangular shape profile, its position is 30 mm back from the front. This is the front surface of that object. This profile position is here. 30 mm triangular profile, its position is here. And in the top view, again, in the top view, you can see the square shape. The dimension of that square is 30 by 30. The dimension of that profile, triangular shape profile, is 30 by 30. First, we will draw this O123 profile. O21 distance is 80 mm. So draw the line directly. Draw the thick line. Then 1 to 2 distance is 60 mm. 2 to 3 distance is 20 mm. And 3 to O we can directly join because it is a non-isometric line. You can see this profile is visible and its position is here. The same profile is visible on the back side, so we can add the thickness. By using thin line, we can give the thickness to this object, to this plane. Thickness is 60 mm. And here, now in the top view, the square is visible, and this square is merged with that profile. या पार्ट मध्ये हा स्क्वेअर डायरेक्टली प्रिझम सारखा स्क्वेअर मर्ज आहे. नाउ हियर द position of that triangular surface is 30 mm from this, so we will mark 30 mm distance along the y direction. Then from this point we will mark 30 mm height along the z axis, 30 mm height, and after that the width is 30 mm. Now here the remaining distance is 30 mm. This square shape is visible in the right hand side view, and the square dimension is 30 by 30. Now from this point, this edge distance is not given, or it is not given, so directly we can draw a line towards x-axis. and from this to this distance is 30 mm. So we will mark 30 mm distance here, 30 mm, and because in the top view the square is visible, so square dimensions are same. This is 30 by 30 square. This is 30 by 30 square is visible on the top, and directly we can join these two endpoints. So we'll get this triangular shape profile. These lines are, both the lines are parallel. Now we can directly join this point and this point. So same slant edge is appeared here. You can see this is a slant surface, and join all the remaining lines by using a thick line. This is a solution for this problem. When the observer is looking from x direction, observer can see this profile and the triangular shape. You can see in the top view this rectangular part, this slant part, and the square is visible. And in the side view, when observer looking this object from side view, observer can see the square shape. This dimension is 30 by 30 and this slant surface. Now give the dimensions to this object. This is the length, it is 80 mm. Height 60 mm. This distance is 20 mm. 20 mm. This distance is width 30, 30. Height is 30 and this is again 30 mm distance. Now this is a complete solution for this problem. Try to solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. Bye.